Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a very exciting one as I'll be showing you 15 hidden Canva letters you didn't know. I'll be showing you the letters and how to search for them. First on the list is this letter that is called the Liquid Chrome. And to search for it, all you have to do is copy these sets of codes and paste them onto your element. So in your keypad, just type Ctrl+C to copy all of them and Ctrl+V to paste it onto your element. And to search for them individually, just search for the Liquid Chrome Letter. So just go to your elements like this and search for Liquid Chrome Letter, and you can see the option. And to search for elements in set, how to easily do it is just to click on it like this, then click View Collection. That is one way you can see the collection and different elements under the same family or umbrella. The second one on the list is this one. Let me take this out. Is this set of letters. It is called the matte letters, and they are also very gorgeous. To search for this, all you have to do is copy all of these codes. I will leave all of these codes in the description box so you can easily search for them. So go on to elements and just paste it, Ctrl+V. So to select it, click Ctrl+A, and to paste and copy, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. So this is what we have. To search for it individually, just search for the matte chunky letter as it is described here. 3D matte chunky letter, and you can see how beautiful this is. So it's left to you to get creative with it and design whatever you want. And do note that this is free to all users. You can see that there is no crown. So the ones with the crowns are for the Canva Pro users only. For example, these Liquid Chrome letters are for only the Canva Pro users. So moving on to the next one, we'll just copy this set of codes and paste it onto our keypad, and you can see, so paste it onto the element, and you can see all of these are also free. And if you want to search for them individually, it is called bubble style letter. So it is left to you to know how you want to use them and play around with them. All of these codes and how to search for them will be left in the description box. So the fourth one is called Dreamy. You can see how dreamy this looks. It has that dreamy feel to it. Again, you just have to copy the codes like this. So Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C, go onto your elements, and then Ctrl+V to copy all of it. You can see that this is also free to all users, and it has the lower cases, the upper cases, and so much more. It even has the numbers. It's left to you to get creative with it. And this is a personal fave. This is so beautiful, and it is called the bubble letter. So just go to elements and just search for bubblegum letter. So you can see that they have different types. So for example, if you see this and you really like this one and you want to see more like this, just click this 3 dots and click View Collection, and it will take you to where all of the collection is, just like this. So now let's search for this collection. So Ctrl+A, copy it, then paste it right here. I will leave it all in the description box. So it depends on how creative you want to get with it. This will look so good on a mesh or a t-shirt. Just get creative with it. So next is the glass effect. So this has a glass effect to it. So just go onto elements and paste it. If you don't want to begin to type the codes out, you could just check out for them in the description box. And this is also called glass Blackletter. That is a way that you can search for them individually. For example, if you don't want to always search for them in set or remember the codes, you can easily remember glass Blackletter. So the next one, this is cutout, and I'm sure you have seen a lot of this in fashion vlogs, the get ready with me vlogs and all of that. And this also has the animated options. So just go to your elements, search for cutout letters, and you can search for them, maybe only the animated options, just like this. And to show you the animated letters, you can see them, also gorgeous. So you can also change the color. Let me say, for example, let's select one. You can change the color of the element. Say, let's use this one. Let's say you want to change the color of this. You can't change the color of this one because it is an image, so except you download, but this is a graphic, so this can be changed. So select it and you can change the color to your preferred option, just like this. You can change this to just play around with it till you get your desired option. So moving on to the next one, that's the 8th one. This is so gorgeous and it is called the retro letter. This is so beautiful, very beautiful. It depends on how you want it, depends on what you are designing. Let me show you how beautiful this is. So go on to elements and just take a look at this. They are so beautiful. It also has special characters, and this is only available to the Canva Pro users because you can see the crown on it. So if you don't have Canva Pro, what are you waiting for? You need to get the Canva Pro if you need it, because it gives you access to a lot of things. So this is called the 3D retro striped style. So it's called 3D retro letter striped style. I will leave all of this in the description box. So for the next one, this is shine. This gives the glitz and the glam effect. Say you are designing for prom, you are designing a mesh for prom and all of that. This is a disco party. This is one that you can use. So let's also look at this. Just going to copy and paste it on here. And you can see how beautiful this is. So it's called the 3D letter glitter. So 3D letter purple glitter. Like I said, I will leave them in the description box, so it is very easy for you to search for them. I can already picture this looking so beautiful on a mesh, especially for disco parties, prom, and all of that. The next one is the grass letter. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. It's left to you to get creative and, based on what you're looking at and what you want to achieve. So you can see these are for the Canva Pro users because it has the crown on them. This next one is also a very beautiful one. So let's search for this too. I will leave all of this in the description box. This is so beautiful, and it is called the Dreamy Escapism Letter. Also change the color of each one. So let's change this to say black or green, and this black, we could change this black to something like this or this. Just play around it and make sure the colors you are using also blend together. So the next one is this pixel letter. So just go onto the elements and search for Pixelated Letter, or you just copy and paste this like this. So this is available to all users. You can see it doesn't have the crown. So any element with the crown is for the Canva Pro users only, and the ones without the crown are available to all users. So this is called Pixelated Letter. So if you've gotten to this point, please subscribe so you see more videos and this video reaches more people. Also leave a comment. Let me know your favorite so far, which one you have tried and which one you are going to be trying. So next letter, this is actually also a letter on its own. So let's search for this. You can see that this looks like the first one that we earlier saw. The difference is the first one is for Canva Pro users only, and this is free to all users. So this is called 3D Liquid Transparent Letter. Next one on the list, this has this 3D bold effect to it. So let's search for this. You can see how bold this is. It's called the 3D Inflated Purple Bubble. So if you want to search for it, you can either search like that or you search Inflated 3D Purple Bubble Alphabet. And that is how you can get this. Now for the last one, this has the bubblegum effect. So just go onto your elements, paste it, or you search for bubblegum letter. And that is how you can get all of these elements. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do you find these letters and all this alphabet? One thing I do is, I just go onto the elements and I search for letter. When you search for letters, different types pops up. So it's now left to you to explore them. So you can see that there are different letters under this. So you just, like I already said earlier, when you see an element you like and you want to see more options under them, just click this third, this here, and click view collection to show you all of the collection that element is under. And that is it. 15 hidden Canva elements. All of this will be left in the description box. So you find all of the set code and all of the letters in the description box. So all you have to do is copy them and paste them onto your element. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.